yard, and we're gonna be getting some air vents from a Jeep Commander, but I think it's a 2005 to 2007 Jeep Commander, and I've heard that the air vents, they work in a MIATA, and if you guys own a MIATA, you would know that the stock air vents, they're really floppy and move around a lot. So we're going to be trying to see if it's true or not, if the Jeep Commander air vents will work. They also have a 2001 Mazda MIATA Auto over there at LKQ, and that's where we're going. So I'm going to go check it out, see if I can find anything. Well guys, here's the car. Literally almost everything that I need is gone, so that's nice. Both mirrors are gone. Some of the trim on the inside is gone. Looks like they took some stuff from the trunk too that I was gonna get. So that is unfortunate. Oh, I need this bolt, so we'll take that. That's for the battery tie down, I believe, which is on this side. Pretty much all the good stuff is gone. I was too late to get this stuff, but I guess it is what it is. Alright guys, we're at the Jeep Commander, and you can see these vents. They look like they would fit in the MIATA. I'm gonna go look at the other one they have. It's like right over there somewhere. And then, because I really don't like this chrome right here, I just want to keep it all black. So I'm gonna go see if they have another set, and I'll be right back. Oh yeah, that's the ones we want, the all black. So let me go get my toolbox. I'm gonna start tearing into it so we can get the fuck out of here. Well boys, we didn't get all what we wanted, but we got a hood latch, you know, the 4 Jeep Commander air vents, which hopefully will work, and we got an EGR valve because the code came back on the car. So I'll pick this video up when we can install the vents and everything else. Alright guys, it's the next few days, and I finally got some time to come and work on the car a little bit. So we're going to be putting these Jeep Commander air vents inside the MIATA, because I've heard that these are the same as the ones on the inside, diameter wise. Yes, here's a stock one, so they look almost the same. Let's hold one up close to it and see, because I feel like it would work. We're going to find out today though. Oh, that looks like it is gonna fit. It looks really, really close. So we're gonna try it and see. I have not done the AC just yet in this car, because the shop that I was going to take it to, their AC machine took a crap on them as I was gonna go. So I'm waiting on their machine to get back up. Yeah, I can go somewhere else, but they're literally right around the corner. So no need for me to go somewhere else to get it done. But yeah, let's try and pop one of these off and see how it comes out. I kind of broke it out, so let's try and take this piece. Alright boys, we got it out. Here it is. So what I did, I have these plastic trim pieces. I got the 2 flat ends, and I got this little corner. I got these 2. I stuck them in, one on this side, one on this side, and then I pried from the bottom and the top, and then it came out. So now let's see if our Jeep Commander vent is going to work. Let's put them side by side so you can see they look almost the same. This one might be just a little bit bigger, but it looks like it lines up pretty well, if the camera will focus. Yeah, let's stick it in, I guess, and see what happens. So it fits. It didn't snap in or anything, so I think we're just gonna have to work with that, honestly. Let's try and take it back out if we can without breaking it. Try this. Oh yeah, comes out simple. Oh yeah, just like that, boys. I love that. That's sick. I'm glad I got this. So, if you guys have a problem with your vents being too floppy, well, this could be your solution. Jeep Commander vents and a MIATA. So I think now I'm gonna get all these out, put them all back in, and see how it blows the air. All right, boys. These are our new vents. They work really well, and I'd say they fit pretty good in the MIATA. I dig it. These are much better than the old floppy ones because it gets worn out on the inside with the plastics. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are our new vents. They look amazing, and if you have an NB or an NA, I think personally you guys would love these vents. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you, boys, for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you boys in the next video. Peace, boys.